Okay, let's talk first reality check. थोड़ा ज्यादा. This mindset you will survive. You feel stupid. They are lying. Anemia. Hospital. Money. Bad decision. Before MBBS, don't join. This is actually something. MBBS मिल गया. Life set है. बस 5.5 साल की तो बात है. Before you join MBBS, I want you to know something about MBBS. Nobody really tells you what MBBS actually look like, and you are sitting there thinking, okay, so I just have to study a little more than school, right? No. MBBS is not just simply school but harder. It's completely a different lifestyle. तो अगर तुम MBBS ज्वाइन करने का प्लान कर रहे हो, प्लीज पॉज दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड बिकॉज आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू थिंग्स आई विश समवन हैड टोल्ड मी बिफोर आई एंटर्ड द मेडिकल कॉलेज. MBBS is not about studying hard, it's about studying consistently. First reality check. This syllabus is huge. And when I say huge, I don't mean thoda zyada. You will open a textbook and sometimes genuinely wonder, भाई ये चैप्टर खत्म कब होगा? School में you could study for 3 to 4 days before the exam and somehow you will survive. MBBS में the syllabus will always be bigger than the time you have, and that's why consistency matters more than the motivation. एक्चुअली तुम हर दिन तो मोटिवेटेड नहीं रहोगे. सम डेज यू विल स्टडी फॉर 8 hours एंड सम डेज यू विल स्टेयर एट द सेम पेज फॉर 40 minutes एंड अंडरस्टैंड एब्सोल्युटली नथिंग. एंड दैट्स नॉर्मल. द गोल इजंट आई विल स्टडी 10 hours every day. The goal is I will keep moving and even the days I don't feel like studying. This mindset will save you. You will forget things. This one is important. You will study something today and 2 weeks later, it's totally gone. You will look at the topic again and like, wait, मैंने ये पढ़ा तो था. This can make you feel stupid, but you are not stupid. MBBS has an enormous amount of information and forgetting is normal part of learning. That's why revision is not optional. Read, forget. Revise, forget again, revise again. This cycle is basically MBBS. So don't compare yourself with that one person who remembers every nerve, artery and drug after reading it once. They are either blessed or they are lying. You will start seeing disease everywhere. This is actually something. Once you start studying medicine, you will become suspicious of your own body. You study headache and suddenly you are checking yourself a brain tumor. And study tachycardia, you are counting your own pulse. You learn about some rare diseases and think, wait, I have 3 of these symptoms. Congratulations, you have discovered medical student syndrome. But jokes apart, don't start diagnosing yourself or everyone around you. Learning medicine teaches you possibilities. It doesn't mean every symptoms equal the worst disease you have studied. तुम्हारे नहीं है वो disease. MBBS will change the way you look at life. You will start noticing things that you have never noticed before. You will see a person walking differently and wonder about their gait. You will hear someone coughing and your brain goes, productive or non-productive? Someone says they are tired and you are already thinking, okay, anemia, thyroid, sleep deprivation. But more importantly, you will start understanding how fragile the human body actually is, and that can change you. You start appreciating health in a completely different way. Let's talk about something nobody really prepares you for: the hospital. In the beginning, everything can feel overwhelming. The smell of the wards, patient, blood, injuries, people in pain. Suddenly the book's pictures are not pictures anymore. They are real people. And honestly, it can take time to emotionally adjust. If you feel uncomfortable initially, that doesn't automatically mean you are not made for the medicine. You are learning. You are a human being before you are a doctor, and empathy is not weakness. In fact, one of the most important thing you will learn in medicine is that behind every case sheet there is a person. Friendships will not always be what you expect. Before MBBS, you might imagine I will find my group, we will study together, eat together, survive exam together. And yes, you might find amazing peoples. But you may also realize something. Not everyone is going to be your person. Some friendships will last, some won't. Some people will become extremely important for you, and some will to be people you shared a classroom with. And that's okay. Don't force friendship just because you are in the same batch. You don't need 20 best friends. Even one or two genuine people can make medical college much better easier. Or please, don't turn your batch into a competition. Someone will score more than you. Someone will study faster than you. Someone will get opportunities before you. It doesn't mean you are failing. There will be days when you hate MBBS. Yes, I said it. There will be days when you will genuinely think, why did I choose this? Maybe after a terrible exam, maybe after a long posting, or maybe when you are sleep deprived. Maybe when you have been studying for hours and still don't feel prepared. And then you will call your parents and say, मुझसे नहीं हो रहा. Having a bad day doesn't mean you made a bad decision. Don't judge your entire career based on one exhausting event. Just rest, eat, sleep, talk to someone, and then come back because MBBS is a marathon, not a one-day race. Don't join MBBS just for the title. Doctor sounds amazing, and yes, it is an incredibly meaningful profession. But if your only reason for joining MBBS is money, status, family pressure, or because everyone says doctor बनना है, please think again because the road is long. MBBS itself takes years, then internship, then maybe PG and residency. And medicine is a field where learning never really stops. You don't have to romanticize the struggle. You need to understand it. Choose medicine because you can see yourself living this life, not just because you like the idea of being called a doctor. Your phone will become your best enemy. Okay, let's talk about that real villain. Not anatomy, not pathology, not biochemistry. It's your phone. Because after studying for 45 minutes, you will think, I'll just check Instagram for 5 minutes. And suddenly, 1 hour later, you know what's a random stranger ate for the breakfast. You know celebrity gossip. And your books are sitting there like, are we studying or not? So learn to control your screen time. You don't have to throw your phone away. Just don't let your phone decide what you do with your time. You don't have to be perfect. This might be most important thing I want you to remember. You will make mistakes. You will fail a test. You will forget a drug. You will mess up a viva. And you will probably have memories where you feel like everyone else is doing better than you. But please don't let one bad performance become your identity. You are not your marks. You are learning, you are growing, and honestly, every doctor you admire was once a medical student who didn't know things. So give yourself some time. So, if you are about to join MBBS, don't enter medical college thinking, I have to become the smartest student here. Just think, I am here to learn. You don't need to know everything on day one. You don't need to have your entire career figured out. You don't need to be the topper. Just stay curious, stay consistent, stay kind, and most importantly, don't lose yourself while trying to become a doctor. Because MBBS will teach you anatomy, it will teach you physiology, it will teach you pharmacology, pathology, and medicine. But somewhere along the way, I hope it also teaches you patience, empathy, and resilience. And trust me, There will be difficult days, there will be beautiful days, and will be days you will question everything. But there will also be moments when you see yourself and think, wow, I actually made it here. And those moments, they will make the journey worth it. Welcome to the chaos and good luck, because you are going to need it.